Let's make my Desert Echoes quilt pattern, which uses a charm pack. Now for this pattern, all you will need is 40 5-inch squares, but let's go ahead and get started. First, you will take 16 5-inch squares and cut them into two 2.5-inch by 5-inch rectangles, creating a total of 32 2.5-inch by 5-inch rectangles, and that's it. After everything is cut, you will then select two 2.5-inch by 5-inch rectangles in mixed prints and sew them together with a 1/4-inch seam allowance, leaving you with a 4.5-inch by 5-inch rectangle. Then all you'll have to do is repeat this step until you have made a total of 16 4.5-inch by 5-inch rectangles. Once all of your rectangles are complete, it is time to lay your table runner out. Now first you will create a total of 4 rows, and within those 4 rows you will start with 2 columns with your pieced rectangles, followed by 6 columns of your 5-inch squares, and lastly the 2 remaining columns with your pieced rectangles. Then, as always, you'll sew your blocks together to form rows, and then lastly, sew your rows together to complete your table runner. And here is what my table runner looks like all finished. For my backing, I am using a coordinated print from within the collection, and for my thread choice, I am going with glide threads in the color linen. And here is what my table runner looks like all quilted. Desert Echoes will yield you a 18-inch by 43-inch table runner. For the quilting, I went with one of my personal quilt patterns called Nesting Clams, which I will have linked down below in the description. But if you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.